Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do the unboxing of the iPod U2 Special Edition. I already cracked it open to make everything in good order, so to avoid scams. Plus, my dad already did something to it, which is to sync 100 songs, and I unboxed everything previously, but I just want to put it back in to make this video a bit more interesting. So let's go ahead and crack it open. So it's actually in a sleeve, so we want to slide it out. By the way, the sleeve, let's take a look at it. We got iPod U2, side, back, signatures. By the way, the box is pretty small. Don't need to think that it's pretty big. So here we got a front picture of the old U2 band members. Side we got the Apple logo, back another picture. So here we can see our stuff. So this means the headphones, USB cable, and literature. So we want to open it this way. Here's the iPod. Oh, it's upside down. Should be in here. So let's try that again. So how about we open it this way to prevent. Here's the iPod. It's a little dusty. So we can take it out. Set that aside. Take a look what else is in here. Let's open the compartment. So we got unopened literature. I didn't open it. Got our headphones, earbuds, not pods. USB cable, those are the older versions. Push tabs on the sides to release the connector. And what else have we got in here? And a dock adapter with no plastic on it. First got it, it didn't have it, but it seems that they didn't even use it because they don't have a universal dock. Last user. So you snap it in a universal dock, then you dock it up. So the unboxing's done. So how about I just organize the cables a bit? It's very messy, huh? Yes, good. USB cable done. Now let's do our headphones. This I can do with one hand. Just need to pull this headphone connector out. Then I just shake it. Here, headphones. USB cable. Now let's look at the literature. It's Chinese, by the way, because I got it on a China website. iPod plus iTunes. This means quick start. Well, congratulations purchasing a new iPod and blah 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 blah. It's all Chinese. You don't understand that. I do. Now we got some important product information and warranty. 1 year warranty. And it's already gone. In a little envelope. This is like for the repair things. Let's put it back in. That warranty card is only for China. Republic of China only. I want to keep the dock adapter and literature inside the box. I want to keep the literature in the box, and I might use the dock adapter in the future, purchasing a universal dock on eBay, but I didn't get it on eBay or any foreign ones. My dad bought it on a Chinese website. So let's put it back in the. So let me put it back in the compartment. By the way, to really let you know that I have the headphone covers, here they are. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll be doing a review of it tomorrow. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Maybe I'll film like 1 hour later because the phone is burning hot now. Only for 6 minutes. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, go to my YouTube channel page. By the way, if you want to see other videos, please go to Walner Frank or my Houston and George channel. I want to upload my videos like now. I started a new channel because I don't want to say my dad's name, and I want to have my own account. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.